Hi guys, my name is Hemant and in today's video I'll show you how to edit your videos on MacBook using iMovie. I will explain step by step on how to do all these things in iMovie so that you can edit your videos to perfection. So let's get started. So to begin with, we need to import our media file into iMovie. To do that, simply drag your video file into iMovie. Then we need to move that into this section of iMovie. This is where we'll do our entire editing. Now you want to see a more detailed view of your video while editing, so move this slider slightly to the right, or depending on how much detail you want, move it to the right or left. Now let's see how to trim the video. You may want to trim the video at the beginning of it, or at the end of it, or somewhere in the middle as well. To trim at the beginning, just place your cursor and drag this to your right. So it will now remove this portion of the video. Similarly, to trim at the end, place your cursor at the end and then drag your video to the left. So it has now removed a portion of the video at the beginning and at the end. Now let's say you want to remove this particular portion of the video somewhere in the middle. So to do that, we need to split that portion from the original file. So simply double click here and then do split clip. So it sets a starting point. Then at the end point also do the same, do a split clip. Now it has separated out this portion of the video. All we need to do is simply hit the delete button. Next, let's see how to add titles to a video. So click on this title section and you can choose from any of these predefined templates for your titles. So for our demonstration purpose, I will pick this one here and you need to drag it into this work area. And now you can enter your text here. So now when you start playing it, it will show the titles along with the video. So you can extend the duration for which you want the title to appear. So you just need to drag this. And similarly, if you want to add titles somewhere in the middle of your video, you can just drag it and drop it there and start editing the title. You can add transition effects between your clips by going to this transitions menu and you can choose my variety of transition options. So let's try the spin in option. Drag it and place it in between the two clips where you want the effect to come in place. So that's how it works. Remember that if you want to add a transition, you need to split that clip at that point where you want to add a transition. For example, if you want to add it here, then do a split clip. Then you need to place the transition in between these two clips. And you can adjust the duration of the transition. Do a double click and set the time in seconds. Now talking about audio, you may want to remove the existing audio in that film and attach a different audio clip. To do that, first bring in your audio file into iMovie and then click on the clip where you want to remove the audio, right click and say detach audio. Then it will now separate the video and audio part. You can simply delete the audio part and then drag your new audio into your workspace. You can adjust the length of this audio as well, whether you want it for the entire video or only to a portion of your video. Remember that if you drag it to the complete length of your video here, now in this clip you already have an audio, so you'll hear both the audio clips together when you try to play it from this point. If you want to apply any filters or apply a different theme to your video, you can do so by going to the settings menu, and right now it's selected as no theme, so click on this and you can choose from any of these existing themes. Let's select this. Now you'll see the theme has by default placed here. Let's say I want to put my theme for only for this clip. So I'll just drag it for the entire clip. Now let's see what happens. So you'll see that this portion of the clip is playing within that theme. So that's how you can use themes. Then to apply filters, go to settings and select filters from this. Say you want to apply a black and white filter. So now it's playing in black and white. The last thing I want to show you is the overlay option. You can overlay an image or another video on top of your video at any point while your video is running. For example, if you want to put your brand image at the beginning of your video, maybe for a few seconds, then you can do that. Let me show you. So I'll just drag this image into my project, then drag it and place it on top of your video. Put it at a place where you want the overlay to happen. Now if I play my video, the first few seconds it will start showing that image. If you want it to run for a longer time, you can simply drag that. So now that we have completed our editing, it's time to save our file. So to do that, go to File, click on Share, then again click on File. And select the resolution and quality and then click Next. Then save it in your desired location. So it will take a while for it to complete processing your movie. So you can see the status here. Once this circle is complete, then your movie will be ready. If you have any questions on iMovie, do let me know through the comments section. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.